Starting your baking business, part 4. Next, you want to determine a business structure. Business structure will essentially determine how you'll operate your business, and then you will also have a tax structure for when you do your taxes. The taxes will vary by location, so you will want to make sure to hire a professional with that. But you can create a business structure of either a sole proprietorship, an LLC, or a partnership. Those are 3 common ones. I would say the majority of people start out being a sole proprietorship because it's the easiest one to get started, and then they move up to the different business structures as their company grows. But you want to make sure to always get professional help when doing that, just because it'll save you time in the long run. But those are essentially 3 ways on how you can get your business set up.